And now it's raining pretty hard. Let's see the puddle. Come on, speed it up, MeeMee. Speed it up. Gotta go fast. Go fast, MeeMee. Go fast. She's like, this is as fast as I can go. Yeah, it's raining a little hard now. Gotta get home. Oh, goodness. I'm sorry. I know you don't like it, Mama. I know you don't like it. Doggy still wants to sightsee. He doesn't mind. I know he prefers it not to be raining, but he doesn't mind. Good boy, Charlie. Take it off, Mama. Take it off. He doesn't give me a hard time walking in the rain. Almost home, guys.